Hello everyone, this is Reena. This is our Hindi class. Through this video, I am going to show you how to introduce letter Fa. This is letter Fa. I'll show you how to introduce this letter to your tiny one. Small recap before introducing this letter. Okay, so let's see what is the recap today. Revision. Yes, circle the letter P. Ask your child to circle the letter P. Ask them to circle. Where is the letter P? Yes, these are the letters. So ask them to circle letter P. Okay, always the revision should be the simple one. It should not be another big task for them. Only to recap, you are doing the revision. Generally, we teach letters. We introduce Hindi letters like letter with the picture. Okay. So, it's easy. Why we are doing that? To make our children remember the letter with the picture. That makes easy only when your child knows that particular language. Okay. If your mother tongue is Hindi, then it is really helps your child to remember the picture with the letter or the letter with the picture, because the word and the letter and the picture used to them, because they regularly use that particular word, so it makes them easy. But in case or the other case, like you are in a different state, then introducing the letter with the picture name, like fa se fal, that will be really difficult, because the child has to learn the letter. To remember the letter, we are introducing another word called something else, and he has to remember both the things. That is going to be a difficult one if your child doesn't know that particular language. So what am I going to do? I'll just introduce the letter with a picture. Generally we teach like A for apple, B for bat, right? So the child will be able to remember that, okay, bat, apple, like that. The same way, Hindi, while introducing a letter, I will introduce this letter with a picture, so the child will recollect the picture and they will be able to remember the letter. So let me show you how to introduce this letter F, right? This is F. Fa se fal. Fa se fal. Fal means fruits. Now ask your child, what is your favorite fruit? They may say apple, they may say mango. Then you can just draw the apple here. Is this your favorite fruit, baby? This is an apple. Okay? Okay, if your child says, no mama, my favorite fruit is mango, then you can just draw a mango like this. Isn't it very easy? This picture makes your child remember the letter forever. So the next time when you say fa, fal, fruits, he'll be able to remember the apple and a mango. This is the sample format which I have written in my notebook. You can also copy the same way in your child's notebook. And now I'm going to show you how to write, how to make your child write in their 4-rule notebook. Just see this. Here we have a red line, blue line and red line. The same way which is there in our child's notebook, right? Now we are going to introduce letter Fa. How to write letter Fa. The previous class we learned Pa, right? Pa se patang. The same way we are going to do the same one. Pa, you curve, touching this blue line, first blue line, and go up without taking the hand. Come down and the upper curve like this. And a sleeping line on top of this on red line. This is Fa. Fa se fal. Fal means fruits. I'll repeat. You curve and a standing line the same way. Come down, standing line, and a up curve down like this, and a sleeping line. This is letter Fa. This is how you should show how to write their notebook. Ask your child to write neatly. While writing, ask them to repeat, ask them to say and write fast. Say fal. Fal means fruits. So friends, isn't it so easy to teach your kids, right? Yes. Now I think you are all ready to teach your kids. So take care. Bye bye.